here. He'll be ready. He got the tires on yet. What's happening? Just got that call. Y'all gang, y'all hear Dilla going crazy. But gang, man, if y'all new to this channel, go ahead and subscribe. I got all the hottest junk that's moving in Jacksonville, and y'all know I travel as well. Might bump into celebrities here and there. And so gang, subscribe to this channel. And those who subscribe, I appreciate the support. Keep doing what you're doing, because the only way we going is up. Y'all see the movement. I got this call from my dog Gilbert. Finna drop these 30 forges on the he dropping them on right now as I speak. So I'm finna go over here and get that recording right now as they put them on. So y'all check it out. We finna go over here and see this 2022 first one on 30s, forges, spinning cap.
You still talking shit.
So you know everybody doing that red nowadays, red and black. A lot of trucks doing that.
Yeah, but I'm thinking he's going gold since he did the gold up under that.
She's got all the badges are gold and stuff.
Oh yeah. Oh, he's tagging it gold.
Yeah. Big right here.
Big boy lift kit. Them is tires right there, I see.
Yeah, the rims
Yeah.
Yeah. Gold.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Y'all check him out. Gold and red.
It's gonna be clean though.
It'll be ready. They said he told me like 3 days. Wednesday we gonna get them off the right. 2022. Nate.
Yeah.
You gotta get them powder coated.
Either red.
Yeah. Yeah, he gotta do this. Oh, they might be. Did he get them? The leak things? He gotta do these. They might don't have it. I thought he said he had it though. Check him out, gang. Check him out. First one. First one on 30s. Ooh, that's some big boy tires. This bitch gonna be big as shit.
Gilbert got that little man complex.
Now they say all of us do.
Gilbert do for real. That bitch gonna be big as fuck.
Yeah, that bitch gonna be huge.
That bitch got
real right
here.
And he real little.
Yeah, man.
He tiny.
he gonna need a step ladder with us all day.
Yeah, it's good. He's so little.
It look good at grill. That gold and gold.
Yeah. Wow. Get some.
You did one for a girl. You did one for, I don't know,
Oh, get, yeah.
Yeah.
But y'all put the dually on the 30s.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think this how Gilbert heard about y'all.
Yeah, and she bought the wheels from me.
Yeah. From where he got his from.
Grill in the building?
Yeah, they right there. I'm trying to see.
Yeah, they right there.
Yeah. Oh, y'all watch YouTube, man? You gotta go subscribe to my channel. I got all this kind of stuff on it.
Yeah.
Yeah. A lot of trucks, cars. What's up? Big boy Rich. Yeah. Them bitches wide.
The old little big as fuck.
Yeah, he got a big ass, that's about a 16-inch wheel.
Wait, what?
Yeah. You thought shit. And he got a spinning cap. That's the spinning cap. He don't do much, but
Gilbert showing out.
he's like Gilbert showing out. Them the ones I was finna get them for.
Y'all twin?
No, a year apart.
Close enough.
Dude, this time just popped.
We need to be ready.
Probably tomorrow.
Damn, tomorrow. I'll catch him at the house with it, dude.
I mean, if not tomorrow, it'll be first thing Wednesday morning.
Okay.
Should be close to being done tomorrow.
I might ride by through. I like to get it all.
Yeah, I'll have the dip and everything back in before the day release.
All right. Oh, check it out. What up? What's happening, gang? It's day 2, man. I'll let y'all know. Those who new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. Put up all notifications so when I drop these videos, I'll the first one to get them. Those who already subscribed to the channel, I appreciate the support. Without y'all, it ain't no David on the daily. So thank y'all for watching the videos. And y'all already know the grind never stops. This day 2, me going over here to get this footage of Gilbert. Y'all go to his YouTube channel, check him out. I'm gonna put it in the description. But yeah, first one, 2022. Big truck on 30-inch forges. Y'all stick around for the whole video. I'm working to get this footage for y'all. See y'all when I get over there.
Kale shot your ass. Shawty wanna fuck on the low, you can't be mine. Where my guys at, they vultures, they'll eat a nigga's spine. 40 get to shaking, chase a nigga, fuck a nigga's spine. I ain't lying, always show up and bullets get the flying. If you lying, then you die. You ain't never slain no eye. Bitch, I'm hopping out and driving, I ain't never waste no time. Watch out, I ain't never duck shit. I stay up on that fuck shit to get your head bust quick. Come here, run them down, I show them how that glitters.
What's up, man? I'm back over here. They about got it ready. Y'all see, we got some pieces right here. Gonna be nice. Yes. Got the front all up. Got the sides on. Oh yeah. You'll be ready. We got the tires on yet. Y'all see what's going on. Those who know about these trucks, y'all know what it is. Over here at 904 off of Phillips Highway, they lift them up for you, get them right. Y'all see them. Oh yeah, they putting it. What's happening? Back up here. Back get it. Y'all about done, ain't it? Oh, y'all had to do something. You told me. Oh, that right there. That look good. Something. What do you had to get repowder coated today?
Oh, I ain't put it on yet. It's coming in today.
Oh.
The torsion bar cross member, the sway bar, and then the torsion bars.
Oh, okay. I know he told me he had something he had to get powder coated.
Yeah, because it was all stuff that was on the truck already. So when I was tearing it apart, I was like, man, it's gonna look stupid because it drops it down. So
Yeah.
you know what I mean? Because normally it's all the way up in here. Now I'm dropping it down to here. So.
Oh yeah.
They wanted to be.
I see he did get the leak things.
Yeah, we got the loose thing.
Yeah. They almost done. Leak spring powder coated. Little guy went off. Shake him out. They getting him all ready. He should be done over here at 904. They do it. First one. Y'all remember that. The first one on 30s. What's happening? Y'all, man, y'all go check out 904. They do lifts, they sell rims, they lower your truck, whatever you need, they got it. Go check them out right off of Phillips Highway. You came in, some big sign in the front, 904 plus. So, and y'all go check out my man Garrett page. Y'all will see the whole video of the truck it'll be ready. So y'all, the whole video, we gonna show y'all some of it right now, but it'll be ready, the whole video. Y'all check out all the videos to it. This little guy put in a lot of work on that truck. Peace.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell.